10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2000!
Please stand by. 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 Please stand by.
This is an ABC News special report. This station's regular programming is being interrupted for a special report. At approximately 12 a.m. on January 1, 2000, the inevitable Y2K phenomenon proved itself to be true when several aircraft were reported falling out of the sky over various locations throughout the United States. Vehicles have been stopped on the roads, perhaps due to computer error. Trains have reportedly derailed and have most likely crashed. This may be the result of the computers and other technology glitching out from being unable to read the date correctly. This could potentially affect the nuclear weapons program. If the computers used to control the missiles are unable to read the data properly, the weapons will be set off and detonated within 5 minutes after launch. If you see a nuclear projectile launch from your area, take cover now. This is not a drill. The missiles will cause a catastrophic amount of damage and destruction and will destroy everything within a 100-mile radius of ground zero. To clarify, there are many launch sites across the country, so there are many ground zeros which could be anywhere. Do not wait, seek shelter now. Grab food, water, a battery-operated radio, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and some blankets and pillows to keep warm in your shelters. If this is to be the final broadcast on television, may God be with you all. We may somehow survive the night unharmed and unscathed, and it will be a miracle if such